Hey everyone, it's Deborah and welcome to Scrapbuster Saturday. Okay, so I am going to start out with what I made with some of the scraps. I did not use all of the scraps, I wish, but there were a lot. And I figure I could come back and make more strawberry projects later on. So I did take some of the scraps. This is the first thing I made. Not the first thing, but one of the things I made. I did take some of the plaid scraps and use the little punch from Daiso, whatever the name of that place is. And I made some little flowers and I thought those are super cute. Okay, so moving on. I made one of the little composition books, and this one it's actually a pocket. I didn't have a lot of paper left over big enough to make the notebooks, so I had to piece it together, and I thought it turned out pretty darn cute considering, but these are just those little mini composition notebooks. You can get them at Walmart, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, etc. And so I don't know if you guys remember or not, but I have that big hexagon punch, and I learned how to make these from Heather at Covered by Grace Creations. And so I just made one of these I punched out a bunch of scraps and made one of these little notebooks with that, and thought that was really cute. Okay. Then I found some dies that I've never used, and this one is, oh my goodness, never used it. It is, oh, we're going to get to, don't worry, we're going to get to the drawing, but you guys are going to have to wait till the end. It's a Scrap Diva Designs Cupcake MemoryDex card. Never used it, and so I just put it together. I've never made a MemoryDex before either, but it has a little strawberry, it has a cherry, it has a couple of other images and bows and cute little flat bow, and then this flower is actually this flower, and I just put a yellow button in it. I know I could jazz it up a little bit more than that, and I will eventually when I play with this. This is cute, but I've never made a MemoryDex, and that was my first time to make it, so that was fun. And then if you were at the live on Wednesday, I showed this. I did not make it on camera. I think this is going to be one of those cinch bound mini albums. It needs to be cinch bound and not have this on here. And that's what I plan on doing with that when I get a chance. And then of course on the live I did make a strawberry card, and that's coming apart right there, I just noticed. But you could definitely, I don't think you could do it anyway, but yeah, you can make a card with that strawberry mini album die. And then I made these, and these are modeled after, I actually bought some of these from Carolina Craft and I made my own, so I did do those. And then I found, okay, let me see if I can find it real quick. I decided to make a tea favor, and all I did was I had a bigger piece, 6x6 piece of paper, and I went ahead and folded it, and you've seen it done probably a million times, and I went ahead and folded it and made this little tea favor. And then I found another die that I've never used, which you will see again next week, is this little Chaos Crafts handbag topper medium. This is so stinking cute. Look at it. It is so cute. So I made a tea favor out of that. You know, I actually just packaged it in that, but yeah, that would make a cute craft fair. Both of these would make a cute craft fair item. But anyway, that is a cute, that handbag topper medium, and it's so easy. 2 pieces. Oh my goodness, that was just so easy. And then of course I made this. This is the 3.5 by 5 folio. And when I made it during the tutorial, I forgot to put the magnets underneath the layering paper, and so I came back and put those circles, which yeah, they don't look good, but that's okay. That was cute. That was just for us to learn how to make this, and it's still super cute. You could put a regular flower on here, and you know, just a flat one without any type of decoration on it, and it would be okay. All right. And then another thing I made is I had made these little notebooks. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, it should be in here. No, maybe not. Maybe I took it out. But I made these little Brad notebooks. And so this is a little Brad notebook. I don't know where the other one is. And all I did was go ahead and make that topper, that handbag topper, and put it in a bag like that. And look how cute that is. You could put any type of little notebook. If you made a bunch of little notebooks, let's say like this, and you could put those in there, and that would be a great way of packaging some products, or you know, something that you're giving away. Oh, here's the other little Brad notebook. This is the smaller one. So yep, so I made, that was something I made too as well, the Brad notebooks. And I made some more strawberries just to use on projects. And I mean, they're cute. And then, oh, well, this one's not a strawberry. I'll show you. I mean, it's not strawberries like this. These are just to put on projects. This one is actually a card. So I did make a strawberry card. And these would be cute little note cards. I think I should have just put this layering over, you know, with the holes cut out. And that would be super cute though. A whole set of little cards like this with matching envelopes. I didn't have enough big paper left to make anything big, so I was really struggling to make the bigger things. So, and then I wanted to save some of the paper because I have other things in mind. Then I used the Strawberry Sentiments from Scrap Diva Designs, and I did make these. I made these during the live on Wednesday. Speaking of lives, I'm not going to do a live on Wednesday. It will be a tutorial, and it will be at 3 p.m. because I had something else that came up. But anyway, no live for this next Wednesday. But anyway, those cute little sentiments. And then I did make some of the strawberry stamps, and these could just be used for, you know, put in mini albums or whatever. I thought this one you could put a flower on it or something, or one of these, you know, one of these little sentiments. And that's what I made with my scraps. I still have bigger scraps left over, but I want to make some other stuff with it. Okay guys, I know y'all been waiting. I know what y'all are waiting for. So let me get this stuff out of the way for a minute, and we'll pull a winner. Okay. I hope everyone's having a great weekend. It's been busy around here as usual. Trying to put 3 videos out a week is busy. Next week I am having Lemonade Week. If you don't know, I'm using the new Cartabella paper called Lemonade. And so, yeah, hopefully you will join, or, you know, come by and show me some love. That would be great. Okay, so let's go ahead. I had cut up the names of the people that answered the question that I asked on the video from last Tuesday. And oh, you're gonna be happy, because there's the sentiments, the strawberry shakers, the strawberry mini album, and I found a die that I do not like, which is the KS Craft strawberry bows. Yeah, those are going too. Anyway. So anyway, let's go ahead and draw a name. I even have my strawberry mug from Dollar General that I'm using when I cut up all the names and everything. Okay, let me make sure I got one. And there we go. Oh, Brittany, look at you. Brittany Linger, you won. You're going to be making some strawberry stuff, girl. Anyway, good. That's great, everyone. Aw. That's great, Brittany, that she won. Anyway, you guys, it's great. And I was hoping, you know, rooting for everyone. But anyway, I don't have enough to give everyone, do I? But I wish. But anyway, Brittany, already have your address, so I will get these out next week. Guys, please come see me next week. I will, you know, there will be stuff going on, just letting you know. You might want to come by and visit. Anyway, you guys have a great weekend, and I will talk to you on Tuesday at 3 p.m. I have a tutorial coming up, which will be fun. Should I give you a sneak peek of what that tutorial is? I think so. Why not? Why not? Let's see. It's going to be this KS Craft Lemonade Jug mini album. Yeah, if you want to see that, well, come see me on Tuesday. I will have a tutorial on that. Oops. Sorry, guys. I'm messing up my... But anyway, Brittany, I will send that out to you next week. You guys have a great weekend, and come see me next week. All right, bye.